So we're for sure right in the middle of an AI hype cycle, where it feels like every other person online is bragging about their custom AI automation processes, like they just hacked the Pentagon.
Sell me this pen.
This is AI-powered pen.
Yes, that level of AI automation definitely sounds alluring, until you lift the veil and see what it actually takes to build a functioning agentic AI workflow. Ain't nobody got time for that. After all, AI is supposed to make things easier, right? Well, Lindy AI can actually help you accomplish this, and I'll show you exactly how in this Lindy AI review. And after this video, if you want to try a Lindy AI demo, you can check the link in the description for the free trial link. So what is Lindy AI exactly? It's a no-code automation platform for CRM updates, email automation and management, scheduling, and even customer support with customizable AI agents. Basically, the idea is to help you eliminate as much time-consuming manual work as possible so you can focus on your essential business needs, like strategy and marketing instead. Now, without context, this might sound a bit crazy, but this concept actually isn't new in the ever-evolving AI space. Automation tools and agentic AI have been the trend throughout 2025, which, believe it or not, is considered a relatively long time for anything AI related. The feature that stood out most to me about Lindy AI, setting it apart from similar tools, was its use of templates. There are over 100 ready-made workflows that you can utilize right from the get-go. You don't need to tinker and build anything yourself, you just plug and play, which is how I actually started using Lindy AI. For example, say I need to follow up on a bunch of leads. I just tell Lindy to check which leads haven't replied and send a personalized reminder email. Then Lindy AI creates an agent to handle it. There's no other steps, that's it. And this is just one example of how you can use Lindy AI agents. We'll get into more later. For now, let's see what the first steps look like for new Lindy AI users. The good news is that you can test it out for free and even get more credits via my link in the description below. And if you do plan on getting a subscription, the pricing structure is nothing we haven't seen before. Plus, Lindy AI pricing is competitive compared to other AI tools. All right, now let's talk about the UI. I found Lindy's dashboard to be intuitive. It's minimalistic with the notification bar asking you how it can help you. You simply enter your prompts here in plain English to get started, or there's also an option to record a voice message or attach a file. Now, I haven't tested the voice prompts extensively, but the few prompts I played around with worked well, just as you'd expect them to work. However, if alternatively you're the kind of person who likes to customize and create things yourself, you can hit the plus symbol and build AI agents for specific purposes. Below are the curated templates for the most commonly used workflows, including marketing, meetings, productivity, sales, and other stuff. For me, this is what Lindy AI is all about. I found the sales/meeting recorder template to be especially impressive, with its clearly listing all the supported app integrations. And there are a lot of them. Google Calendar, Sheets, Calls, and Forms/CRMs are just a few examples. And this makes team onboarding easy. On the left sidebar, you'll find Home, Chat, and the My Agents sections. Here you can view, manage, and create agents and toggle their integrations. Down in the corner, you'll find your usage credits and the space to get more if you need them. And if we switch to Build Apps on the homepage, we'll find Lindy's Site and App Builder, which is great for building blogs, habit tracking or productivity app, or even B2B SaaS dashboards from scratch. However, there's still room for improvement here since there aren't any pre-made templates available for AI website builders/app builders. Only examples. Compared with tools like Horizons by Hostinger, we see fewer capabilities here overall. That said, Lindy is still a strong pick due to its unique approach to building AI workflows and agenting. That's it for the Lindy AI interface. Next up, features. Obviously, the Lindy AI agents are the app's core engine with the other tools built around them. The agents are smart workers who can understand context, make decisions, and execute actions for you. My favorite template is the customer support responder. I've tested many agentic AI platforms, and honestly, none of them have nailed customer support as well as Lindy AI. Now, granted, customer support can be a touchy topic. It's probably still best done by humans, and the gut reaction from many people is probably to despise AI customer support altogether. That said, I really gotta give props to Lindy's abilities in this category. Due to its easy integrations with FAQs, policies, and knowledge bases, Lindy can quickly come up with solutions and provide accurate answers. It's definitely far from the slop we usually encounter with chatbots. Plus, it has a human-in-the-loop feature, which enables you to set up triggers that ensure humans will get involved when they're needed. Bottom line is that Lindy knows when to hand things off. Also, Lindy has a unique feature for creating voice AI agents that can make calls and actions based on outcomes. Sales teams will probably find this the most useful since these AI sales agents can take leads from an internal database. Based on call outcomes, Lindy AI agents can schedule meetings in your calendar and notify your team on Slack so you'll always know what's happening. I got Lindy AI agents to handle studio bookings for production and filming, as well as make reservations for restaurants. And it's now my team's favorite way to avoid making phone calls. Jokes aside, there are a couple downsides to this. Number one, getting a Lindy phone number costs an extra monthly fee, and two, you can make calls only in the US. Going back to the triggers I mentioned a moment ago, Lindy provides users with full flexibility for workflow automations. The triggers are just one of the building blocks. There are also actions, conditions, loops, and integrations. Explaining them would require a full Lindy AI tutorial, so let me know in the comments below if you'd be interested in me making a video for that too. And don't forget to click the link in the description to test the Lindy AI assistant yourself. It's free to try out, so there's absolutely no downside. Now, we only discussed one use case for Lindy AI agents so far in this Lindy AI review, but hopefully it's already becoming clear the value it brings to the table because of how much setup time it could save you. And that value got even clearer for me when I realized how many integrations Lindy AI supports. It seamlessly integrates with Slack, Gmail, Notion, and CRMs, making workflows between your already established systems frictionless. Also, the flexibility of combining pre-built templates with language-based, easily customizable agents means that you can easily craft a foundation for your future AI agents with little to no effort. Speaking of workflows, the Visual Flow Editor helps to define each step the agent you're building takes, from triggers to actions. Simple visuals and guided tooltips make it accessible, and the comprehensive documentation and examples make it, dare I say, understandable even for people with almost no tech background. Personally, I had no issues figuring out how to set up even more complex workflows or how to combine multiple integrations together, and I'm definitely no developer. But all of this would mean nothing if the agents couldn't remember anything. Lindy's AI agents can remember conversations and context, and even iterate and improve their performance over time. The more you utilize them, the smarter and the more helpful they'll get. In my opinion, this is a big strategic win because you definitely don't want to have to hop between agentic AI platforms. Once you commit to using one, you want it to work really well. So I like Lindy's focus on delivering quality for long-term, context-rich tasks like client integrations or project tracking. If you're like me, you might be wondering what AI models are powering Lindy behind the scenes. Based on my research, it looks like Lindy uses around 30 different AI models, from Claude 4 Opus to Gemini 2.5 Pro to ChatGPT 4 Turbo. It's not a new phenomenon for agentic AI platforms to use a mix of models. Still, Lindy does stand out with the variety, which is important because, as all of us know by now, some models do perform better than others for specific tasks. So, in my opinion, this flexible approach is definitely a good thing. However, it doesn't come without a cost. Some AI models use up more credits than others. Thankfully, Lindy clearly outlines the price for each model, so it's not like it's a hidden fee or anything like that. Don't forget to click the link in the description to test Lindy AI out for yourself. It's always good to keep up with what's happening in the latest tech. Lindy AI also takes an upfront approach with security, which is refreshing. Most AI tools have a relaxed approach when it comes to security, which, to be clear, is not a good thing. Lindy is a standout among its peers with strong security measures, role-based access, multi-factor authentication, audit logs, and other important tools. In this category, the folks at Lindy AI definitely know what they're doing. A quick side note, to use Lindy, if you're HIPAA compliant, you'll need a business associate agreement and US residency. Simply put, Lindy AI is a safe and compliant provider, which is exactly what you need if you mean business. So what's the bottom line of my Lindy review? Well, Lindy has some of the best AI agents on the market. It's a powerful, secure, and versatile platform that can also be utilized for agent and workflow building. Whether it's automating calls, managing schedules, or helping with creative projects, Lindy AI can do it all. That's it for me for now. Have a good one.